Are you ready to step into a realm where your generosity unlocks unimaginable blessings? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful truth: covenant partnership with God. It's not just a concept, it's a pathway to divine favor and provision. Our God is a covenant-keeping God. As 2 Chronicles 6:14 reminds us, "There is no God like thee in the heaven nor in the earth, which keepest covenant and showest mercy unto thy servants, that walk before thee with all their hearts." This partnership is built on faith, obedience, and a heart willing to sow into his kingdom. Consider the Shunammite woman from 2 Kings 4:8-37. She consistently honored the prophet Elisha, providing for his needs. Her selfless giving wasn't just charity, it was an act of covenant partnership. Because of her faithfulness, God met her deepest desire, granting her a son and even restoring him to life. This principle isn't just for biblical times. I've witnessed it firsthand with our RCCG covenant partners. These individuals quietly support the ministry, and God honors their commitment. One partner, burdened by immense debt, received a miraculous debt cancellation after a prophetic word. God truly pays attention to those who honor his work. Abraham understood this. His tithes to Melchizedek, Genesis 14:18-20, ushered him into unprecedented abundance. Joshua's faithful service to Moses positioned him to lead Israel, Exodus 33:11. Elisha's dedication to Elijah earned him a double portion of anointing, 2 Kings 2:1-15. Your service and giving are seeds for your destiny. Beloved, God desires a covenant partnership with you through the genuine spiritual leaders he has placed in your life. When you honor them and support the work of his kingdom, you activate a divine flow. Just like the Shunammite woman, God will meet your needs, often before you even ask. Don't just hear this message, act on it. Commit to blessing a genuine minister of God and meeting needs in your local assembly. Sow into good ground and watch God do exceedingly, abundantly above all you can ask or imagine. Subscribe, comment, share, and like this message to spread the word. And click the link in my bio for more devotional insights. This was put together by Dr. Prince Emmanuel Benson, aka MOG. For more devotional messages, click on the link on my bio.